I want to share my life with you in hopes that I can motivate you to get up when you're down, that I can inspire you to give yourself an understanding of your own strength. Because I know what it's like to live life at the highest moment possible. And you're thinking, it can't get any better than this. But then it does. But then I've also been at moments where I'm like, it can't get any worse than this. And then it does. I've been having dark thoughts to temporary problems. And just when I thought that, man, that's it, I'm done, I get up and I come back. And I've learned that as long as I get up, I'm better than I was when I fell down. As long as I get up, I'm in a better position. And see, you change your way of thought about yourself. Because when I come back, I'm better than before. And so my thoughts went from, I am a loser, I am depressed, I am a victim, I am not worthy. Every time I got up, I replaced those thoughts with, I am a winner, I am worthy, I am a survivor, I am resurrection.